Hi everybody, my name's Mel and I've come to show you today how to make a shortcrust pastry. So to be able to do that you need certain tools to start off with. So these are your tools, okay? So you need a mixing bowl, a rolling pin, some weighing scales, flour, any flour will do, self-raising or plain, it doesn't matter, some butter or some spread, 1 egg and some salt and pepper. Exact ingredients are 175 grams of flour, 85 grams of butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and 1 egg yolk. Okay, flour in. Okay, now what we're looking for here is that when we put the butter in, we don't put it in lumps like that, we actually put it in little pieces. So you take your butter like that and start unpicking them little bits like that. Okay, so you can pick the whole piece up, start picking it off little bits like that, and make sure it goes all in the flour. So it's basically got the butter in and the flour in. Okay, here is some salt and pepper. Okay, now that you've done that, get your fingers and start to go like that with the flour with the butter, flaking it. Just use the tips of your fingers, alright? So at the moment it looks like that, okay? So it looks a bit, so this is what I'm doing with it, I'm just flaking it. Now what you're looking for is that when you go like that it sticks, that means it's got enough butter in it, okay? Now the next thing I'm going to do is break an egg, and what I'm looking to do is separate the yolk. So what I do is I use my egg to do that, flip it into each one, separate, like that. Look, so what I'm left with is the egg yolk, okay? And the other can be discarded. I put my egg yolk in to my flour, okay? Then mix it in, okay? So it's starting to stick, can you see? Now this is starting to look now a little bit like I can squeeze it together, okay? A tablespoon of water in. Now what I do is I just put 1 tablespoon in and I start to use my hands. So what I've got now, guys, is pastry. Just like that.